My dear students, today we are going to see Geography, Unit 3rd, India Agriculture. Part 1. Soil. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. India's varied natural environments resulted in the great variety of soils compared to any other country of similar size in the world. Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organisms, air, and water. Grains in the soil are of three categories, namely clay, silt, and sand. Soils are generally formed by the weathering of rocks under different conditions. Some soils are formed by the deposition of agents of denudation. Soils can vary greatly from one region to the other. Next, we will move on to types of soils. In India, different types of soils are found. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, forest and mountain soils, arid and desert soil, saline and alkaline soils, peaty and marshy soils. Next, we will move on to soil types, its character, where it is distributed, and crops grown in that particular soil. First one, alluvial soil. These soils are distributed in Ganga and Brahmaputra river valleys, plains of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Bihar, and river mouth of East Coast. The crops grown in this alluvial soil are rice, wheat, sugarcane, and oilseeds. The chemical properties of alluvial soil is rich in potash, phosphoric acid, lime, and carbon compounds, but poor in nitrogen. Its nature is sandy, loam, silt, clay profile, shows no marked differentiation. Black soil. Black soils are distributed in Maharashtra, Malwa Plateaus, Kathiawar Peninsula, Telangana and Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh and northern part of Karnataka. The crops grown in black soil are cotton, millets, tobacco and sugarcane. The chemical properties of black soil consists of calcium and magnesium carbonates, high quantities of iron, aluminium, lime and magnesia. It is rich in potash, lime, aluminium, calcium and magnesium, poor in nitrogen, phosphoric acids and humus. Its nature is sticky when wet, high degree of moisture retentivity. Red soils. It is distributed in the eastern parts of Deccan Plateau, southern states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Chotanagpur Plateau. The crops grown in red soil are wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. The chemical properties of red soils are it is rich in minerals such as iron and magnesium, deficient in nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid and lime. Its nature is light in texture, porous, friable presence of limited soluble salts. Clay fraction of the red soils generally consists of colonitic minerals. Laterite soils. It is distributed in Assam hill summits of Kerala and Karnataka and eastern Ghats and regions of Odisha. The crops grown in laterite soils are coffee, rubber, cashew nut. The chemical properties of laterite soils are it is composed mainly of hydrated oxides of iron and aluminium. its nature is more acidic on higher areas, poor in high level, cannot retain moisture, while plains they consist of heavy loam and clay and easily retain moisture. Forest and mountain soils. These soils are distributed in coniferous belts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim, Eastern and Western Ghats. The crops grown in this type of soil are coffee, tea, rice, maize, potato, barley, tropical fruits and various types of spices. The chemical properties of forest and mountain soils are: it is deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. The nature of forest and mountain soils are: it is a light, sandy, thin and found with the pieces of rock. Their character changes with the parent rocks. Very rich in humus, slow decomposition makes it acidic. Arid and desert soils. These soils are found in Rajasthan, northern Gujarat and southern Punjab. The crops grown in this type of soil are millets, barley, cotton, maize and pulses. The chemical properties of arid and desert soils are: it contains high percentages of soluble salts, alkaline with varying degree of calcium carbonate and are poor in organic matter, rich enough in phosphate through poor in nitrogen. Nature of arid and desert soil is light in color, low humus, friable structure, low in moisture. Saline and alkaline soils. These soils are found in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, in the drier parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Crops do not grow because of excess salinization of soils. The chemical properties of this soil is liberate sodium, magnesium and calcium salts and sulfurous acid. Its nature is: it consists of an excess of sodium salts and mineral fragments which are weathering. Peaty and marshy soils. These soils are distributed in Kottayam and Alappuzha districts of Kerala and coastal areas of Odisha and Tamil Nadu. Sundarbans of West Bengal, in Bihar and Almora districts of Uttarakhand. The crops grown in this type of soil are paddy and jute. The chemical properties of peaty and marshy soils are: it is deficient in potash and phosphate. Its nature is: it contains considerable amount of soluble salts and 10 to 40% of organic matter and high proportionate of vegetable matter. Methods of conservation and management of soil: afforestation, constructing dams and barrages, prevention of overgrazing, improved methods of agricultural practices, contour method, rotation of crops, contour bunding, stripe cropping, planting of shelter belts, adopting the techniques of sustainable agriculture or different conservation methods for better soil management. My dear students, in this lesson, definition of soil, types of soil, characteristics of soil and conservation of soil are important questions. Study thoroughly. Thank you.